Welcome to my course on how to read the tarot. This course is an opportunity. It's an opportunity for you to dive deep into your love life, your finances, your wealth, and your health, to dive deep and to discover what is going on that is blocking you or preventing you from achieving your dreams and goals. The tarot is a magnificent tool. It has allowed me, over my 8 years of training others and studying for myself, to really develop a skill set so that I can move through my life powerfully. And this is the opportunity that is available to you. In this course, we're going to be learning all about the tarot, what the cards mean, where they come from, what they mean when they show up in a spread, what if they're reversed, what about the scary cards. We're going to be looking at everything in the realm of tarot. And what you can expect to receive from this course is a deeper understanding of the tarot cards, but also of yourself and why you do the things you do and how you can help yourself to get where you want to be in life and to be that person that you want to be. The tarot has helped me profoundly and has allowed me to travel all over the world. I'm not kidding you. I have lived in Bali, New Zealand, Australia, India, because I have constantly consulted with my highest self through the tarot and through other modalities so that I can find my truest expression, my truest wisdom. And I'm going to be honest with you, this is what the tarot has to offer you. We can seek wisdom from outside of ourselves, from people and from teachers and modalities, but it never is exactly the right fit. And with the tarot cards, you get to find your unique wisdom. The cards speak to the person, they speak to you. They are many aspects of your soul. And when you learn to read them, they will scream at you your truth, your passion, your purpose, and all you have to do is listen and obey. These cards have a wealth of wisdom. They are little pocket warriors and they have so much to give. And I know this because I have seen how much they've given me and my hundreds of clients that I have worked with. I work deeply with the Mayan astrology as well, which works with the Mayan dream spell calendar and all of the esoteric studies. And tarot is a huge embodiment of the magic that is in this universe, as well as the practical magic that allows us in physical reality to create the lives of our dreams. So join this course with me, learn the basics of tarot and a bit more so that you can practice deeply for yourself and also give a professional reading for your friends, your family, and your future clients.